I'll put this one on there. This can be pretty challenging, and I don't know what material you would use. It would have to be like a high heat material, but once you get these on there, you're not going to get them off. I'm just wondering, that's going to have to angle down. That piece is actually long. It really only needs to be about that long, so it looks like I'm probably going to have to kind of cut that and try to get that angled downward, if that's even possible. I'm not even sure. So this is kind of a unique situation here. So I'm going to have to do some adjusting on this, and I'll grab my marker, put a mark on there, and kind of estimate about where that would need to be cut. So with the muffler on there where it needs to be, I could probably cut that like around here approximately, and that would still go in there. The question is whether or not I'm going to be able to get that to angle down as much as it needs to, and really this pipe kind of needs to come down. So I could probably get my Dremel out and cut that. And as a matter of fact, you know, it might be better, it would be better if I kind of came more to the middle and cut in the middle, and then that way the ends are smooth, whereas these are already kind of indented there. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'll get my Dremel out, get to work.